This is a product review for the Hoover CleanSlate spot cleaner, but I'm gonna use the silicone attachment that hooks onto the large head, I guess. And it's super easy to put in. Just slot it in there, push it, and it clips with the latch. And I'm going to try this on my kitchen floor. It definitely gets pretty dirty in here with a toddler running around with his shoes. And I'm just going to try this for the first time. I have no idea if it's actually going to work well, but I'm sick of looking at dirty kitchen floors. So I'm just going to angle the camera down a little bit more, and hopefully you'll be able to see easily all the dirt being suctioned up. We'll just take a peek. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on by pressing the button in the middle. I'm going to spray it first. I'm going to push down. And it seems to be working quite well. I'm pushing down quite firmly to get all of that liquid up. I'm going to try a slightly dirtier spot. Maybe I'll try closer up. I feel like overall it's going to work really well. I tend to put a lot of pressure to make sure it's getting all the dirt out of the grooves. Like my floor definitely has some grooves in it from the wood. So I would have to push quite hard, but I think with a few passes, this would get your floor quite clean. So I would definitely try out that silicone attachment on any hard surface.